Oh, okay, man. What the fuck?
Yeah, that's how we vibe, bro.
You gonna let him talk like that to you and say all that shit just cause you homie?
Yeah. Hell yeah.
Yeah,
Say something back at least. Like, what the fuck?
Luigi, that's how homies work, Luigi. You don't fuck your homie's wife.
Nah, Goomba, so you pussy. Is that what I mean? So you pussy.
No.
Luigi, bro, you shut the fuck up. I'll make you my Bowser.
You're making daddy? What are you talking about?
Yo, hold up.
You know?
But honestly, I don't know what you're saying right now, dog.
Bro, I'll be riding you on the Gomba stack, bro.
Oh, yeah. That's what I'm talking about.
What the fuck, bro? These people are tapped. Tapped in all the right ways, obviously, right? But I like how they shot mid-round as well. Like they're talking like complete spastics, but the second the round starts, like, nah, we gotta try and win, bro. Don't worry.
To your left, you
Op 4 eliminated. Friendly mission successful.
I'm not actually watching your stream. I'm just listening. All I just heard RG15 and a lot of bullets missing. Someone's using fucking tractor cannon. What are we in? 2016, bro.
Let's fucking shoot them.
Kinda sus error, so I'm not gonna lie. Yeah. Why? It's quite funny, but as you do.
Protect the bombs.
Or with all the sharing that your clip's gonna get done.
The funny thing is, right? I'm not actually gonna give them armor. I'm gonna kill them.
Yeah, what a prank. Well, what if I killed you first, though? Tell me.
Nah, they wouldn't fucking do that. They wouldn't do that.
I think they would.
Yeah, they would. They definitely would.
I'm gonna place it
Well,
down.
they need a 2v5. They do anything to win.
Nah. Trust me, bro. I'm the plug.
Just go outside and be like, yo, knife on.
I'm the plug, and they want my supply. You know what I'm saying?
Seconds to insertion.
My toe stink. You better not fuck up my shit, dog. You better not fuck up my shit.
Op 4 has located a bomb. You have been spotted.
Yo, Zavala's gonna show Kyle what knitting is, bro. What? It's just literally just what the voice line says, you know what I mean? Why can't I just hear Mozzie, but like really quiet?
Op 4 last stop standing.
Yo, it worked.
Wait, are they all just grabbing armor and you got 4K?
Op 4 eliminated. Mission successful.
GG, boys. 1 fair and square.
Yo, great game, guys. Great game.
What the
Yo, is that Toad? Duh. Man, we got.
What the fuck? I don't know how I feel about